Hey, Phil from Got Memories here. I am spending a Saturday fixing camcorders. I'm going through all sorts of, got the tools out. I've also got some hacks, okay? A lot of these camcorders I'd written off, so, I'm just doing tests with them. But there are some well-known tests, and this will surprise you. But anyway, what I'll show you here, this one here, I've just pulled off the shelf and didn't have any notes on it because when I'm digitizing videotapes, sometimes just pull in equipment. Okay, this comes up, reinsert the cassette. Okay, beep beep beep. That's my favorite sound in the world. Not. And you will have a C3123 with that eject thing just going. Okay, now I don't recommend doing this if you just got one, but this is what you can do. First of all is go like this. Okay, give it a whack. I call it the WACK hack. Let's see. Birdie and Winston like, what are you doing? Give it a sec. There you go. What can I say? I'm a genius. But yeah, if you get that, you can give it a good whack. If it still does it, here's another step. Is you get it and you hold it about yay, and then you just let it go and let it hit the floor. I'm not joking. But anyway, that's fixed. You're welcome.